Welcome to Porsche West Palm Beach and the video of this GT Silver 911 GT2 RS. Optionally equipped with the Weissach package with satin black center locking GT2 RS wheels. The adjustable rear wing has 3-dimensional end plates and both engine deck as the wing itself are made out of carbon fiber. The Weissach package includes a carbon fiber roof and standard for the GT2 RS polycarbonate rear windows. In the carbon fiber front fenders we find the carbon air outlets to remove turbulent air out of the wheel arches, and carbon fiber is also used for the engine air intake system on the side. Rear wheels are 21 inch with 325 rear section Michelin Cup 2s. The front wheels are 20 inch with 265 front section tires, and right behind the wheels we see the standard carbon composite brake system. In the Weissach designed carbon fiber front hood we see the NECA ducts, which are air intakes to cool down these front brakes. The interior has the carbon fiber bucket seats with yellow deviated stitching, which can also be found on the door panels and the upper part of the dashboard. Thank you so much for watching this video on this 911 GT2 RS. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. We welcome you at Porsche West Palm Beach and look forward to assisting you in our state-of-the-art facility.